AI faceless YouTube automation for affiliate marketing is what we're going to be talking about in this video. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. And let's jump right in. So we are going to be talking about creating faceless videos for YouTube and how you can use those to earn affiliate commissions. And what we're going to do is use some AI products to go ahead and create a video script. First, we're going to go find a product, and then we're going to create a video script using some AI software, and then another AI software to create the video. And then after that, you can upload that to your YouTube channel and get great traffic. So you can find really products from anywhere. We're going to go ahead and just use Amazon as an example because it's a huge platform with tons and tons of products that you can promote as an affiliate. But you could also get products off of other platforms such as ClickBank or ShareASale or Sell Health, Market Health. There's lots and lots of them, okay? And a lot of times what works well is if you come into Amazon and go under their best sellers, we're going to try and find a supplement product, okay? And so then you can go into health and household, and then vitamins, minerals, and supplements, okay? And so you can then take a look and see what are these top selling supplements right now. So this Bloom Nutrition Green Superfood is maybe a good one. It's number 3 right now, and it costs $40. So you'd obviously like to get a higher, since the commissions are paid a little lower on Amazon. It's nice if you can get a product that's maybe a little higher. So let's open this product up. Let's take a look at it, and then you can do a little bit of research too if you want. So let's say we take the product name. And I'm gonna open up a incognito window. Let's do that. And you can see I put that in already and searched for it. And obviously there's a lot of ads that come up. Here's an ad. Here's Amazon. But you can see there's not really any videos. And so if you can make a good quality video, then you can get a video to actually rank on the first page. Now you see the video is way down here, but you could get one near the top or even end up here. And if we go into our incognito YouTube channel and we put in and search on it, you can see there really isn't a video that's here in the top. You don't until you get to this third one that talks about this specific product, okay? And so you can see there are some videos, but they don't have tons of views. So you probably could rank well for this. If you need help with learning how to rank videos, I'm going to leave some links in the description box down below for some of the products that we're talking about in this video. And also, if you need help ranking on YouTube, I'll leave a link for a course that shows you how to do that. All right, so let's jump back over. Okay, so you'd get your affiliate link, and your affiliate link is what you would put in the description box down below. We're going to go ahead and head on over to ChatGPT. This is an AI software that can help you create a video script. And then what you can do is, you want to give it some input. So write a YouTube review video script for this product. And then let's put that in there. Sorry. I hit enter. Let's stop. Let's go ahead and stop that. I should have hit Shift enter. Sorry. Let's try that again. Boom. And then Shift enter, because that will allow you to enter more information without it continuing to record. Okay, so use the following information in this video script. And then again, Shift enter. And then you can go back to the Amazon page and this is some good information here, right? You can use that. If you scroll down further, they may have some other, information that you could copy as well. So again, they got a little bit, that's the ingredient list. Yeah, so that is kind of it. Let's go back and we'll to the top, and we will put in this information. Okay. There we go. I'm going to put write this script in a persuasive tone. Okay, so now let's go ahead and hit enter. Oh, let's try it again. This happens sometimes with ChatGPT. Okay, it might be. Let's just go back and take this information. Let's see. Sometimes again, ChatGPT, there is, so popular that sometimes it gets bogged down. Okay, so yeah, so it's going to start here. So yeah, so actually this is good. We may not needed all the information that we got off of Amazon, but you can use this and you can put it into ChatGPT and it will use it. Okay, so while this is finishing, let me go ahead and head over. This is the software we're going to use. It's called Pictory, and again there'll be a link in the description box down below. So here I'm logged into Pictory. We're going to take, here we go. So we are going to take this script that it created, and we are going to go into Pictory. We're going to do script to video. We're going to paste that script in here, and I'm going to pause the video while I take a minute and just kind of clean this up a little bit so it'll make a better video, and then I will be right back. Okay, so you can see I just went through and kind of broke this up, so it'll make a new scene for every line break that I have in the script, and that's kind of the next thing. Just go to scene settings, and we want a new scene for every line break. Now we're going to click to proceed, and this is where you can see all these different templates that you can choose from. If you hover over it, you'll see the way the words come in. Or they might just stay there. They might be set. So lots and lots of choices, and you can change any of the backgrounds, the fonts, etc. Okay, so any of these things can be changed. I'm just going to go ahead and go with this one, and we're doing a YouTube video, so we'll leave it on that ratio. And now what it's going to do is Pictory's going to go out and find appropriate video clips to go with the script. And then once that comes up, I'm going to show you how you can go through each of the scenes and change out those video clips if you need to. I'll show you how you can change the text, the color, the font, etc. How you can hide text if you want to. And also you'll be able to make other edits. Okay, so here we are inside the editor, and just a quick, your menu's on the left side over here where you have all your options to do things. Right now in the story, this is where you can see all your scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. You can also see the scenes down below the main video box here, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, etc. And so if there's something you want to change as far as the background, then you can go to the visual section, okay, and you can choose. So here it's, hey guys, it's your favorite health and wellness enthusiast here. So maybe we'll change this yoga pose over here. Okay, so maybe that looks a little better. And then also, let's say you want to change the text. So if you click on the text, now this editor box, or this line came up. And let's say we want to use Poppins Bold as the font. So it just changed it. And maybe we want to make it a little bit smaller. And so it changed that. And then you can change pretty much anything up here, okay? But you do want to click Apply to All, so it makes those changes throughout the entire video. And then basically you can scroll through the scenes with the arrows here, or just choosing them down below. And you just want to go ahead and change the backgrounds if you want to. Okay, another exciting product review. And so maybe, again, this could be you know, you can search for terms over here, or you could make something just kind of related, health. Able to choose this one, and so you just go through one by one and change any of the backgrounds that you want to in the video. You can add elements. I don't do too much with these, but they have stickers, GIFs, and emojis that you can put on the video if you want. Now audio, you can add background music. They have over 15,000 tracks that you can choose from, and you can preview them. It a lot of times will choose one for you, and it's applied. With your voiceover, you can use the built-in voiceovers, AI voices that they have. Usually I like to use this one, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that. But you can search all these different, and again, preview if you like. And you can also upload your own voiceover. If you make your own voiceover or have someone do it for you, you can upload that as well as upload background music. On your audio settings, the background music, usually you're going to want to lower that, you know, so it does lower it to 10%. When you have a voiceover. And then you can also make any other changes over here to your text, your styles, if you have branding, if you have a logo maybe you want to add. And then finally, the format, you do want to make sure it's 1080p when you download it. Now, once you've gone through this and you have it exactly the way you want, you can click on preview, and it's going to go ahead and generate a preview of the video that you can watch. Make sure it looks exactly the way you want it to, that it sounds the way you want it to, and that everything is ready to go. And once everything is good, then you just generate the video, and it's going to create an MP4 file that you upload to your YouTube channel. And make sure you add your affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate link, in the description box below the video so people can go to that. Okay, so it's pulling up the preview here. So it may be hard to hear, but it sounds good. And you can see how it looks. Now, again, you change anything you need to. So if there's anything you don't care for in it as you watch through it, you can go back to the editor and make any changes that you need to in the editor. So that is it. That is how you can use products, whether it's from Amazon, Share a Sale, wherever. You can use ChatGPT to come up with scripts. Now, there's other ways to come up with scripts as well. I also use Article Forge, and sometimes I even use PLR products. But ChatGPT makes it super easy to come up with a good script, and then use Pictory to generate the video. And you can make these very quickly and get them uploaded to YouTube and start getting free traffic from YouTube and earning those affiliate commissions. So thanks very much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Look at the links in the description box down below for the different products I talked about in the video, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks again.